there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play the piano part to Happier by Olivia Rodrigo. So this is from her new album Sour. I've already done Good For You, Driver's License and Deja Vu as well, so let me know which other ones you'd like to see. And I've left my Olivia Rodrigo playlist linked everywhere down below, as well as the chords and lyrics to this song. So it's a repeated chord progression all the way through in a broken up, like arpeggiated pattern. I will attempt to sing each section just as like a reference point, but it is literally the same thing all the way through. So it's pretty heavy on the black keys. This one's in the key of F sharp major. So on the screen now, all the notes of the scale of F sharp major. You could also call it G flat major as well, but we're going to be working in sharps today. I'll teach both hands at the same time. So the left hand on the screen is blue and the right hand is orange. You don't have to play octaves. I'll be playing, the lowest note I'll be playing is going to be out of sharp, but that's what my thumb will be playing an octave lower. So you can play singular notes if you don't have the lower range or if you have smaller hands. So the first chord is the root chord, so it's F sharp major. The left hand is F sharp, so just a single F sharp, whichever one. And the right hand reads F sharp, A sharp, C sharp, and then F sharp. So you don't need to be able to play all those notes together. You're going to break them up like that. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And the next chord is a D sharp minor 7. So all that means is that you keep your right hand there and your left hand moves down to D sharp. And you do the same thing again. The next chord is a G sharp minor. So it's G sharps in the left hand. In the right hand, that's G sharp, B, D sharp, and G sharp. Same amount of time. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then we have a C sharp 7, C sharp dominant 7. So C sharp or C sharps in the left hand. In the right hand, it's C sharp. This note will technically be called an E sharp, but the enharmonic is an F. And then G sharp, and then B. So we have. And then that whole chord progression repeats throughout the whole song. So I'll just go through all of that again. So F sharp major. D sharp minor 7, G sharp minor, C sharp 7, one more time, So I'm going to demonstrate just each section now. Hi there, just quickly before we continue, if you are enjoying the video so far, please consider hitting that like button and say hi in the comments section below. If you're brand new here, please consider subscribing, you know where the button is, and make sure to hit that notifications bell so you're notified every time I upload a new tutorial and you can be the first to learn. I've left a load of playlists in the description as well to get you started. I hope you enjoy the rest of the tutorial and let's continue. We broke up a month ago, your friends are mine, you know I know you've moved on, found someone new, one more girl who brings out the better in you, and I thought my heart was detached from all the sunlight of our past. So you play that twice for the verse, and then it's into the chorus. So you just do that once, and at the end of the chorus you play the C#7 chord an extra time. So I'll just demonstrate that. So at the end there, I kind of built it up, and then it's off. So I'll do all that again. So I occasionally played the left hand an extra time as well. So like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and again there. Just a very subtle way to help differentiate it between the chorus and the verse. So after the chorus, we've got this like bass part, which is just all on the black keys. So after this song, I hope you're happy, but don't be happier. And then into the next verse. So that's A sharp, G sharp, F sharp, D sharp, C sharp, A sharp, and then into F sharp, which is the first chord of the next verse. She's the most beautiful girl you've ever seen. An eternal love bullshit, you know, never mean. Remember when I believed you meant it when you said it first to me. And now I'm picking her apart, like cutting her down to make you miss my wretched heart. But she's beautiful. She looks kind, she probably gives you butterflies. Into the verse. I hope you're happy, but not like how you were with me. I'm selfish, I know, I can't let you go. So find someone great, but don't find no one better. I hope you're happy. I wish you all the best. Really say you love her, baby, just not like you love me. Think of me fondly when your hands around her. I hope you're happy, but don't be happier. And now we're into like the bridge section where we've got these woo. So you just continue that for one more time. And then to the outro, which is the chorus, for one last time. I hope you're happy, just not like how you were with me. I'm selfish, I know, I can't let you go. Find someone great, but don't find no one better. I hope you're happy, but don't be happier. So at the end there, I didn't play octaves, I just played singular notes. And then when the last time you play the C#7, I'm repeating this note as well. I'll just do that again. I hope you're happy. So that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and that it's useful. If you would like to leave a piano tutorial request, you need to click on this video, which takes you through to my official request space. You do need to be subscribed. All requests are noted and considered, so I look forward to seeing you over there.